over 75% of ski and snow areas nationwide.
Aw, dude, big air, fresh. Watch the floating head, though. Might catch him in the air. Be brutal. Wouldn't want that. See. Oh, hey, babe. What's up, bro?
Dude, I made the ride from black to white.
We regret to inform you that, well, one of our producers mistakenly ordered 6 tons of sushi instead of more film. Needless to say, that leaves Dave's fate up in the air. But hey, you know, if you order a pair of sled dogs right now, we just might be able to give this film a happy ending. Please do your part to help Dave fulfill his dream. Order now and vote for the ending you'd like to see. A. Dave jumps over Hell's Canyon in his sled dogs. B. Dave snow skates into an active volcano. Or C. Another shot of that bikini babe. Oh, C. C. Choose C. Please, C.
Call now for free information, and we'll include these free Sled Dog stickers. It's just our way of saying, buy Sled Dogs, please. So call now.
Composite Teflon impregnated polyurethane bases with carbon steel edges.
Canine bases are removable, so you can walk around on them without hurting all that composite Teflon impregnated polyurethane. Pretty smart, huh? And since they are removable, you can change bases to match your skating style.
For complete information about Sled Dogs, call the number on your screen now. We'll send you a free information pack plus these free Sled Dog stickers. To get this free information, you must pick up your phone and call now. Unless, of course, you're telepathic, in which case you can try reading my brain.
And they're so comfortable.
This program has been a paid advertisement for Sled Dogs by the Sled Dogs Company. You should have figured that out by now and have already ordered your own pair of Sled Dogs. If not, here's that telephone number yet once again.
So let me get this straight. You're just a head? You just like float around? You got no body? Wow, that's cool. So you can just go like wherever you want, huh? Just like bop around and stuff? What's your head made out of? How do you do that? I have titanium feet. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah.